I saw this plugin and I was straight away interested by the interface, and I realized it was also free, so I thought maybe I could do like a bit of a cook up video, use this and see what we can make with it and how it sounds. It's essentially a distortion plugin, degrades signals by compressing the audio. So there's a voice mode and then there's a music mode, and this is the internal algorithm. I was reading the manual and it said depending on which one of these is set, it's going to have a different sound to it. So this main sort of section here where it says loss, this simulates packet loss. Like if you were to think of like a poor internet connection, how it just like drops out, and depending on how we mix and match these other parameters, the packet will essentially be lost completely, and then the plugin's like algorithm will try to recreate them, or they can sort of just be like held onto and repeated, giving it sort of like a glitchy effect. But yeah, anyway, just like any of my other videos, let's just jump straight into this. So I've just duplicated essentially the same effects. The main reason of doing this is just keeping like the cohesion between the elements, making them sound like they're in the same environment. Just keeps a mix sounding realistic, I guess. The only thing I really changed on the plate is the pre-delay. I shuffled it, it was on 0 on the chords. For this element, I'll just like move it just so that they're in the same space, but one's like sort of over here and then the other one's like put back here or something. Sort of differentiates them, but it keeps that cohesion. And then same with the delay, like the other one was on like a triplet. I changed it to quarter notes just so it had a little bit of a different bounce. Then maybe I'll just go through and change the dry wet as well. That's another setting that's like pretty obvious, but still like really important.